Tonight, the Lady of the Golden Wood sets her table against a thing that no longer eats. Comment who you think wins. But first, hear how the wager was struck. You will remember, dear listener, how she bested the White Wizard. 3 courses and his seeing stone forfeit at the end of it. Word of that kitchen travelled far. And it reached, at last, a door that opens on no morning. Minas Morgul, the dead city, where the Witch-King of Angmar keeps a cold and lightless hall. He has come north, to the borders of Lothlorien, to challenge her. 3 rounds they have set: the appetizer, the main, and the sweet. Tonight is the first. The wager is small to begin. Should the wraith lose, he yields 1 luminous flower from the gardens of the dead city. Should the lady lose, she yields a single mallorn leaf of gold. And who decides it? Not I. Though, between you and me, I should dearly like to. No, the verdict falls to you.
I am Galadriel, and I will begin, as one should, with something small. A chilled halibut crudo, the fish sliced thin as a birch leaf and left raw, dressed in a spring herb emulsion the colour of the first green under snow. Shaved asparagus, curled like young ferns, dill, chervil, tarragon. A whisper of mallorn-honey, a breath of white wine. Nothing is cooked tonight. It is a dish of patience and of cold, clear water. A guest should be welcomed gently before the feast. The knife first. Halibut wants a long blade and a longer breath. I draw it through the flesh in one slow pull, never sawing, so that each slice falls whole and gleaming. I lay them upon the cold plate like petals, and I do not hurry. The asparagus I shave raw against the grain, ribbons thin enough to see the light through. Cold and clean and unafraid. Now the emulsion. Herbs, cold-pressed oil, a little ice. I blend them cold, so the green stays green and does not turn. It must lie above the plate, like mist over the mere at dawn. I taste. A single grain more of salt, no more. The honey I add drop by drop, counting each, until the sweetness only just wakes. Precision is a kind of reverence. The dish is nearly still. The plating is the prayer. I lay the emulsion first, a pale green pool. The halibut upon it, each slice overlapping like scales of light. The asparagus curled between. And last, the herbs. Chervil, dill, set by hand, 1 leaf at a time, each where it will fall in the mouth. A single drop of honey at the rim, like a bead of morning. It is finished. It asks nothing of you. It only offers.
Gently, yes. You would begin gently, lady. I do not begin at all. I end. I am the Witch-King of Angmar, and I too bring something cold, for there is no warmth left in me to give it. Squid and cuttlefish, poached pale and laid in ink black as the space between the stars. A single thread of blood red across the shard, orange in root, bled dry. You dress your fish in honey and in springtime. I dress mine in the dark. We shall see which the living prefer. I take the garlic and I give it to the flame, not to soften it, but to end it. Black, ash, a powder of bitterness that still remembers what it was. In my kitchen there are no green things, no honeyed things. There is only what the fire leaves behind. Let the lady sing to her herbs. I will speak to the ash. The reduction now. Blood orange and beetroot, down and down over the low flame, until it is thick as old blood, until it is caught. A breath too long, and the smell of scorched sugar fills the hall. So, even the dead may err. I pour it away. I begin again, slower this time, my eye never leaving it, my patience colder than before. There. It runs like a wound down the shard. It will do. It will more than do. I lay the ink first, a black tide across the broken plate. The squid and the cuttlefish upon it, pale as drowned things, cold from the ice. The blood-red thread I draw once, edge to edge, and let it bleed at the corner. No garnish, no mercy. It is beautiful the way a grave is beautiful, quiet and final and honest about what it is. Let them look upon it and remember, the dark is patient.
And so the cooking is done. Both of the wise, well, one of the wise and one of the wraiths, have laid down their tools. 2 cold plates wait upon the border stone at twilight, one the color of dawn, one the color of the space between stars. I will not tell you which I would choose. I will only say that the ladies smelled of springtime, and the other smelled of nothing at all. Nothing at all. Now they present them, each of them, to you.
Here is what the wood gave, and the cold water, and a patient hand. Raw fish and green herbs, and a single bead of honey, upon a white plate rimmed with silver leaf. I made it for you, whoever you are, wherever you sit tonight. Taste it slowly. There is no hurry left in the world this evening.
And I, in the dead city of Minas Morgul, dine alone, as I have dined alone through every age since the light went out of me. Black ink, pale flesh, a thread of red. There is no one across my table. There never is. But tonight, lady, there is you. Choose, you who still draw breath. Choose, while you can.
So there they stand, the ladies dawn and the wraiths long dark, the first round of 3. And the verdict, as I promised, is not mine. It is yours. Comment Galadriel or Witch-King below and tell this tale where it goes. Round 2 comes soon enough. Both recipes wait for you at recipe-app.com. For other apps run on your phone, but Recipy runs your kitchen. May your hand be steady. May your fire be clean. And may your verdict, when it falls, be just.
Namaria. Subscribe, that we may meet again at the next Middle-earth meal.